Hi, in this video, we are going to see how to factor the polynomial 2x to the fourth power negative 5x square negative 12. So it will be a little challenging to factor a polynomial of degree 4. So what I'm going to do is, in the first step, I'm writing the term x to the fourth power as x square whole square. Then I write the rest as it is. Okay, in this polynomial, we find x square over here and x square over here. If I substitute a new variable for x square, let's see what's happening. Let y is equal to x square. So wherever I find x square, it can be replaced by y. So 2 times for this x square, I can write y. Since we have exponent 2, we have 2y square negative 5. For this x square, we can write y negative 12. Now, we have a quadratic polynomial or quadratic expression. We can factor this one easily. Once we are done with factoring of this quadratic expression, so we can replace y by the original stuff x square, and we can do further factoring if possible. So this technique I apply, that is I'm writing x to the fourth power as x square whole square, and then I substitute a new variable y for x square. The reason is, so it's a bit challenging to factor a polynomial of degree 4 because it's a polynomial of higher degree. So that's why I'm using this kind of technique. Okay, now let's factor this quadratic expression. So here the coefficient of the leading coefficient is 2. Now the constant of negative 12 has to be multiplied by this leading coefficient 2. 2 times negative 12 is going to be negative 24. Okay, now I have to get two factors for this negative 24. So that the product of the two factors is equal to negative 24, and the sum of the two factors must be equal to the middle term negative 5. Then I'll be getting negative 8, positive 3. When I multiply these two factors, negative times positive will become negative. 8 times 3 is 24. When I add these two factors, negative 8, positive 3, when I combine these two, I'll be getting negative 5, which is a middle term or the coefficient of 5. Okay, so to write the two factors for this polynomial, I just write y and y. I have to divide both these values, 8 and 3, by the coefficient of y square. So when I divide this 8 by 2, it will become y negative 4. I cannot divide 3 by 2 because 3 is not even reducible by 2. In that case, simply you just move this 2 as a coefficient of y. Then you'll be getting 2y positive 3. So the two factors of this quadratic expression is going to be y negative 4 times 2y positive 3. Okay, the next step what we can do is we can replace y by the original stuff, that is x square. Then I'll be getting x square negative 4 times 2x square positive 3. Okay, now this factor 2x square positive 3 cannot be factored anymore. That's it. But this one can be factored further. So that is like x square, and instead of writing this 4, we can write it as 2 square times 2x square positive 3. Okay, now this is in the form of a square negative b square. Already we know the algebraic identity, that is a square negative b square is equal to a positive b times a negative b. So using this identity, we can do further factoring of this one. So when you compare this and this, instead of a, we have x, instead of b, we have 2. So for a positive b, we can write x plus 2. For a negative b, we can write x minus 2. So this is a factored form of this expression. So we can write this one as it is. It cannot be factored anymore. So 2x square positive 3. So this is a factored form of the given expression 2x to the fourth power negative 5x square negative 12. I think you can understand how to factor a fourth degree polynomial like the one what we have done. Thank you.